Hello everyone, my name is Peng Peng. Today, I'd like to introduce you my paper, Locality Sensitive Hashing for Optimizing Subgraph Query Processing in Parallel Computing Systems, which can reduce redundant computation and communication costs during parallel subgraph query processing. First, let us consider the example query Q1. Vertices V1 and V2 in data graph are two matching candidates of query vertex U1. Traditionally, V1 and V2 may be assigned to different tasks in different workers, causing unnecessary redundancy. But with our proposed locally sensitive hashing technique, QCMH, we can ensure that V1 and V2 are assigned to the same worker, merging their tasks and reducing redundancies. Furthermore, our second locality sensitive hashing technique, QMH, can deal with multiple queries. For instance, consider two queries, Q1 and Q2. QMH can group Q1 and Q2 together, and then these two queries can be processed together. This allows for the common subgraph of Q1 and Q2 to be processed once and reused, resulting in a significant decrease in computation cost. Extensive experiments on large real and sensitive graphs show that our proposed method can greatly improve parallel subgraph query processing performance compared to existing methods. Thank you.